Okay, you're in Google Sheets and you want to do currency conversion. I suggest a setup a bit like this. You've got your two currencies. Now, if you want to get the codes, the 3-letter codes for each currency, use this link in the description of this video. Now, to get the conversion rate, use a function called GOOGLEFINANCE. And the first argument is ticker. And for this, in quotation marks, you write currency, colon, and then use an ampersand symbol. You select your first currency code, your base currency, and then another ampersand, and you select the convert to currency. And very simply, you just close the bracket and press enter, and that's going to give you your conversion rate. So here is the pound sterling amount I want to convert into US dollars. So all I would do is type equals the base amount times the conversion rate. So now if I change this to euros rather than dollars, it will do the conversion for me. Now you can also use GOOGLEFINANCE to return the conversion rate for a pair of currencies over a period of time. So we'll do it year to date. So equals GOOGLEFINANCE, same as before, currency, colon, then ampersand, our base currency, ampersand, our convert to currency, comma. Then in the attribute argument, we'll type price in speech marks, comma, and then you need to specify a start date. So we'll say that's the beginning of the year. And again, this is in speech marks. And then we've got our end date, and we'll say that's today's date using the today function, comma. And then interval can either be daily or weekly. So we'll say weekly. And then if we close the bracket and press enter, it will return the closing conversion rate for this pair of currencies. Might need to do a little bit of formatting with these dates and with these closing conversion rates. But apart from that, we're good to go.